If you're looking for a budget-friendly light that you can use to capture cinematic videos, come, let me show you. Before we get into the video, click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos, all right? And let's enjoy this creative journey together. Now, we all know that lighting constitutes about 70% of cinematography, if not more. However, one of the major hurdles cinematographers or videographers face is getting the right kind of light to work with, especially if you're shooting indoors. The company that produces some of the best lights for cinematic lighting and whatnot is Aperture. But the problem is, it's a little on the high-end side. Aperture lights are very good and effective, but they are quite pricey. But of course, for the quality, what do you expect? But there is a light that, as much as it does not completely rival the Aperture light, can give you something nearly as close to what the Aperture light will give you. And that is the Sutefoto P100. The Sutefoto P100 comes in two forms. The first is the RGB, that's the P100 RGB, and the second is the P100 bicolor. The bicolor version of the light only has two colors for you to choose from, but the RGB has a variety of colors that you can work with. What that means is that if you have the RGB, it can serve multiple purposes. First, you can use it as a key light, you can use it as a field light, you can use it as a background light, you can use it as a practical light or as a detail light, whichever you want to use it for. And again, you can also use it to create effects like thunder, a siren effect for ambulances and police, different effects, all in this small portable light here. The downside of this light is that the build is not really as solid as you have in the high-end lights like Aperture. First, it is all plastic. It makes it a lot lighter, but I mean, for the kind of work that we do as cinematographers, you want something that's a lot more sturdy. Even cameras are now designed to be a lot stronger and more sturdy because, of course, things can easily fall. You know what I'm talking about. So for this, if you're using it, if you get this light, you're going to have to be very careful in handling it. You can't toss it up and down, toss it around and expect that it won't get spoiled. Then another downside that I've experienced using this light is with the adapter. The adapters usually get burnt. I've changed adapter for this thing more than 3 or thereabout already, and I'm still changing. I don't know what burns them, whether it's inside the light or whatnot, but the adapters don't last. So if you're getting it, rest assured that you're going to be buying more adapters. But that's a small price to pay for what this light can give you at the price of the light. In Nigeria, the light is just about 150,000 naira on an average. You can find it more expensive in certain places than that, and you can find it cheaper in certain places, but an average of 150,000 naira. Now, this light, you can use it in any kind of softbox whatsoever, and it will serve you very, very well. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly light that will give you that cinematic effect, I've been using it. I have 2 of these, and they serve me very well every once in a while. Go right ahead and get this. Yeah. So, get it if you can.